Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a very quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S8 phone, which I did receive a short time ago. This is Samsung's high-end flagship for 2017. I'm sure you're aware of the specs, so we're just going to get straight into the unboxing here, have a look at the device, and I'm going to give you like an honest opinion of what I think in regards to the phone. Because obviously I did buy this with my own money, so we can have a look at the device here. So what do we have? We have a one sticker here. Let's get that open. So let's see. Oh, this looks nice. So we just put this to the side and see the device here. Wow, that looks very nice, gotta say. It's not as big as I was expecting actually. I thought it would be huge, but it's very nice in the hand, I gotta say. Amazing in terms of what they've done here in terms of the size. Very nicely crafted. Wow, that is pretty epic. As you can see, we do have it in like a grey colour here. I think it's orchid grey, so it should look pretty professional. We're just going to have a look at what else you get in the box as well. Very shocked about how small the phone is actually, because I've never seen it in person. So you do get your books and stuff, as well as a SIM tool. You're getting your charger, as you can see, adaptive fast charging, very nice. You're also getting your cable, is Type C, obviously. You are also getting some decent looking earphones here, which look very nice. AKG, which I think is better than your standard earphone. You also get some buds as well, which is nice. OTG adapter, and this adapter, which I think is the old type USB adapter, which is good for them to include. USB connector. So a very nice amount of stuff you get with the box here. Usually, you know, some manufacturers do skimp, but nevertheless, we're going to have a look at the main phone here. Because this isn't a cheap phone, you know, this is an expensive boy. So we want to see, you know, what it brings. So let's unpeel it here. And let's get this off. Sticky. And do we have any on the front? We do. So very nice slim kind of form factor here. A little bit of smudginess with the sticker, but nice, very nice, gotta say. I mean, it just feels so nice and slim compared to what I was expecting. I'll just do a quick little comparison here with the G6. As you can see, it's a lot slimmer than the G6 actually, in terms of the form factor, etc. Makes the G6 feel a little bit outdated in terms of design, and it doesn't feel too annoying in terms of the curved display as well. It feels like still very grippable, which is good. Oh, I'm looking forward to booting this one up. So, where is the power button? There it is. So we have a fingerprint scanner on the back obviously now, which is quite polarizing. Satisfying haptic feedback there. Android is starting. Oh, nice. So you can see this is a very big display. Detected everything as it should do straight away. Just quickly put my password in. So you can see already we are getting the TouchWiz, the latest version, which love, maybe, if you like TouchWiz. That screen is epic, I've got to say. I mean, really nice, high contrasty, good in terms of the viewing angles here. Wow, that is epic. Oh, nice. So this is the main screen, and we do have some beeps. Wow, look at that, it's got like a live wallpaper. Amazing. They brought that back. Nice. So we're just going to bump the brightness up here a little bit and see how bright it does get. Oh, that is nice and bright. So you can see Samsung never skimps when it comes to the display brightness. And you do have the, well, there's no there's no home button now. That is weird as well. I mean, that feels really nice because, you know, I think it's just another thing that can go wrong with the phone, so it was about time that they got rid of it. So let's have a look at the software here. So it's called Samsung Experience now, and it's Android 7.0. So that is nice. This phone just feels amazing, I gotta say. I mean, it's so light in the hand. It just feels like it's a league above everything else, you know. It's really high crafted piece of technology. Wow, look at those dots. So that's Bixby thing, which is an intelligent assistant. Bixby Vision. You can check that out another time. But so far the UI looks pretty nice and snappy here. And out of stuff, which is good. And let's have a look at some of the inbuilt apps. So it looks like Samsung's really made an effort here to make a fresh experience. This is the app drawer. You do pull up, which is quite interesting. Let's have a look at the Samsung stuff. So you get your internet browser still. So look at web page here. So it's BBC. Wow, that looks amazing in terms of the content. Pretty damn incredible. Nice, very nice. So look at the equalizer settings. So you do get your full equalizer setting, as you can see, which is nice. UHQ upscaler. So have a look at the, you have Google Assistant, split screen view here. So you have two there, and lots of different features here on the notification shade. Edge lighting, what does that do? And it's at home. I have to figure all that out, I think, but wow, this is the Bixby start thing here. So yeah, I think it can help with your schedule and stuff. So look at the themes before rounding off the video here, and we can see what other themes we do have. I think this is the one I've got on already actually. You can see there's a lot of different ones here. Gotta give it to Samsung, they always make a great effort when it comes to new wallpapers, etc. Making a fresh experience every time. Look at that, that is nice. I really like the way the background moves, it just makes for a nicer experience. Gold one here. So yeah, I think I'm going to spend some time getting acquainted to this beauty here, and seeing what you can do. Just a quick little unboxing, first look of the S8. If you've got a question, do let me know, and we'll certainly check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.